when I dey Enugu, people think say my brain no correct because then I no get any friend. I dey always waka from dustbin. I know almost the whole dustbin wey dey Enugu state. So and I go always waka like from morning. I go come back in the evening. So even anybody wey see me for the dustbin go think say me I dey mad. My name na Amarochi Kamso Chizoba, aka ACC Wizzy. I be 21 years old. I be from Enugu state, and I build motor wey I dey drive from scrap material. The idea to build the motor, you don't tell where the thing dey my body. You understand? They bomb me with them. So when I smile, I carton and plastic, I always they use it. But my papa no support me then. Sometimes I go toss at the go school. I go there one corner, I go enter those things, go pack material while they do work. So I go always do them. So now him I don't do. So at the time I can't dream say make I can't do rating. So we say. So now then when I did in 2013, I can't build one helicopter.